Evans. Evans.
Bodies in the back, sleeping on the back, peeping through the cracks, jumping on the popping on the lane, popping out the brains, dropping like the flame, dropping with the dragging with the chains, dragging with the flame, lines with the main, edges on the grain. I want the Johnny Dang, I gotta hit the bank, I just want the stain. Hennessy I drank, I gotta be frank. This ship ain't gotta break, I gotta get the rake. I hope I ain't too late, my soul ain't got a date, my soul ain't got a mate. I so ain't gotta wait, they blocking out the way. I gotta find a way, I hope my mama pray. They chop you down and slay, I gotta pave the way, I gotta make them pay. I'm up another day, I'm up another wave. I'm in the game to play, I got both feet inside the lines. They say that love is blind, I got the 20/20 eyes. I gotta keep him shine, I gotta keep him out the lies. I don't mean to be rude, they've been through too many fires. I gotta stay inside the grind, I gotta pay the price. And I eat your fucking cake, it's way too many pies. I don't go to sleep, I don't fuck with a lullaby. A lot of people talking real nice, but real eyes recognize real lies. Yeah, real eyes recognize real lies. Yeah, real eyes recognize real lies. Yeah, real eyes recognize real lies. Yeah. Pop, 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 pop. They ran you down and they pop, 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 pop. Whoa, now stop, 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 stop. Fuck you mean they won't stop the shots? Feeling like Pac, wanna bust back the shots for the homies who got stuck and who got caught. Whoa, now I picked up a rock. I'm in the jungle with tigers and crocs. I got a lot of people that act like they really know me. I'm riding with my homies, fake homies don't really know me. I will never quit, I promise I'm ballin' like Kobe. We don't want your freedom, we just want the opportunities. I just want the opportunity to be me. Yeah, I'm popping with my bags and I pop the ZZ. We look the way we look cause we came from the dirties. I'm trying to touch a milli before I touch my 30. I don't fuck with girlies, I don't fuck with birdies. I don't fuck with dykes, I don't fuck with thotties. I'm looking for somebody, not just anybody. The way I move between the countries feel like Gotti. Feel like I've been dodging bullets right between the bodies. I'ma need a 40 and I'ma need me a shotty. My life is like a movie, what in the fuck is a PG? I do this for the money cause I do this for the family.